Greetings from Raleigh, North Carolina. We are excited to kick off Dude University 2019 and to invite you to attend one of the largest operations management conferences of the year. No one knows this better than you. You power the most important places in our lives that we all depend on. Your work is unseen and unsung, and without you, our school safety suffers, our patient care is compromised, our technology systems fail, our manufacturing systems grind to a halt, and our public buildings crumble. You are the operations leaders who make life better for everyone else. And we know you've been hard at work this past year, putting in the extra long hours to keep your facilities properly maintained, preparing budget requests for the board, implementing new technologies, and probably countless other projects dealing with custodial, customer service, grounds, inventory, safety, security, and the list just keeps going on and on. You play a vital role in your organization, and you're crucial to its success. That's why it's time you reinvested in yourself so you can be even better, more effective, strategic leader for your team and organization. And we want to help you provide the insights to see your work so you can make sense of it, compare your data so you can benchmark it, share your success so you can prove it, and predict the future so you can change it. How can we help you achieve these goals? 2 words, Dude University. Folks just like you from all over the country are coming together for this year's Dude U. We're talking over 200 breakout sessions, hundreds of speakers, experts, and operational pros. You'll hear all the latest industry trends, best practices, and strategies that you can imagine. You'll spend time with more than 1,000 of your peers who understand all of your challenges, all while exploring state-of-the-art facilities, culture, and entertainment in one of the fastest growing, vibrant, and cool cities in the U.S., Raleigh, North Carolina. And when you're in Raleigh next spring, you'll be the first to hear about exciting new announcements that will transform the way you operate, including our new vision for the future of work, facilities, technology, energy, and asset management platforms. And don't forget, grab some North Carolina barbecue while you're here. No matter where you're from, how many years you've been in the profession, or what level you're at in your organization, on behalf of Dude Nation, I invite you to join us May 5th through the 8th, 2019 in the community we call home. So sign up today at university2019.com. We look forward to welcoming you to the biggest Dude University ever.